What's up, everyone? This is All I Talk is Tech, and if you've ever encountered the issue with Snapchat where it says the camera will not work or open, and you go to your iPhone settings and you don't know what to do, here's the fix to the camera not working. Because you can see that when you use your iPhone, your camera works perfectly fine. Why wouldn't it work in Snapchat? Well, very simple and easy to use fix. It says, oops, Snapchat is a camera app, and the problem is your iPhone isn't allowing access to the camera. So tap on Open Settings, and then right where it says Camera, you're going to want to just enable that. Very simple and easy to do, and immediately the camera starts to work. Now, if for whatever reason you can't find those camera settings, the way you get to it is you scroll down on your iPhone, and you want to find the application Snapchat, and you want to make sure camera is turned on. Now, if you're having this issue for a microphone as well, because the way this can even happen in the first place is when you first download the application and you may have accidentally denied a privacy. That's how that happens. So you want to make sure your microphone is on, your camera is on, and access to your photos is on. So that is how you fix those errors for camera, microphone, and photo library. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, peace.